Yo, what up? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com. Welcome to another video. And excuse my voice. In today's video, we're going through a goblet squat tutorial. I've been asked numerous times to make this video, so as requested, here you go. So the goblet squat is one of my favorite variations of the squat. I tend to leave this in my client's program, whether it's their main squat or a squat variation. So no matter where you are in your fitness journey, I highly recommend to keep the goblet squat in your repertoire. It'll keep you healthy, get you stronger, and continue to make gains. All right, so with the goblet squat, you're going to have 2 points of contact. Okay, you're going to keep the dumbbell on your sternum and your stomach. This helps you keep your spine aligned as you descend for the squat. So you always want to keep that cue in mind. Always have 2 points of contact, whether it's your sternum, no, not whether it's going to be on your sternum and your stomach. All right, you want to maintain the dumbbell on your sternum and on your stomach throughout the whole entire movement. Then feet shoulder width apart, external rotation of the hips as you descend, and then you come right back up. Okay, now people tend to have limited ankle mobility, so I either assist them with slight ankle elevation, so using dumbbells, using plates, like 5-pound plates or 2-pound plates to raise their heels. This allows for you to get deeper into that squat. Now, if that doesn't work, I highly recommend that you use a band, like one of these Perform Better bands right over here. Yellow, light, green, medium, blue, heavy. Now this will help you with the external rotation of your hips so that you get deeper into the squat and squat between your knees, as Dan John puts it so eloquently. All right, so it's just that simple. Now people tend to poo-poo the goblet squat a lot. So Dr. John Rusin, he popularized this squat test, all right, for people who tend to doubt the goblet squat. And he says, no matter if you're a man or female, you take half your body weight and you do 25 unbroken squats, meaning you go up and down 25 times with half your body weight. If you are able to complete that test, then you, my friend, have graduated to the next level. Okay, so use that, keep that in mind. It's just those 2 simple cues. Dumbbell to your sternum and your stomach, and feet shoulder width apart, and descend, come right back up. All right, hopefully that helped. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla back.